Hey everyone, it's me back when I've been banging for it today. We're taping my knob. It's been snowing all day and it stopped, but I'm not feeling like going outside shoveling it, so that's why there's no side video. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna tape the top here on the stick. Remember last video we did it right here, but now it's right here. So yeah, and also go Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Hopefully they win. But yeah, hopefully guys will enjoy. Hit that like button, subscribe, do all the good stuff. My friend's Instagram will be right there, and YouTube, and see you guys later. Hello, I'm back. I know I said that in the beginning, but don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'm taping my blade today. My knob, not my blade. This is my blade. This is my knob. And yeah, it was just been a snowy day today, so I didn't decide to make a hockey field outside. So yeah, today we are just doing this, and that'll be basically it. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hit that like button, subscribe. Hopefully the Tampa Bay Buccaneers win today. That's my favorite team. My first team is the Patriots. Second team is the yeah. But yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day.
Clark's a couple of timeouts to work with here, but it's going to be McVay trying to milk this clock answer. That's going to be going for a first down, or very close to a first by Jefferson.
Oops.
Right after Sean Murphy bunting on the outside, so Carl Davis comes out of the game, and Sean Murphy bunting, who's been dealing with a hamstring.
It's the Bucks are my second favorite team. The Patriots are my first, and the 49ers are my third favorite team. So yeah, and hopefully they do win. The 49ers or the Buccaneers. The Patriots already is out. Kinda sucks, but oh well. Yeah, guys.
It's hard to think about the two penalties, isn't it? One on Sue, the one on Brady, and the impact that personal fouls have had on this game.
And 3 15-yarders. Back up his guys to go to
Yeah.
here.
Now
Because they built this clock.
eat. That's how I take my knob. Get zoom in. That's how I do my knob. So yeah, 16 seconds left. Damn, bro. Alright, now we are putting a little thing. Hold up, no, not yet. Because I gotta still make the tip here. Right here.
So you got a clear recovery. His head is down though. One head equals 2 feet. Everything equals 2 feet.
We poked that ball. Let's see if the ball's moving at all before then, though.
Terry McCauley, what are you seeing?
Al, it looks to me like that ball starts to move just before the head touches the ground, making it a fumble and a clear recovery.
I agree. I thought it was moving too.
Of course, no challenges inside 2 minutes. We're looking at it. The Rams called the timeout. Winfield came up with a clear that the ball is under review. Verdict when we come back.
There.
Stuck with your finances?
Now,
Move your money to SoFi.
just put it right there.
What it's like to get your money right.
Just like so. Just like that. Like that, baby. I know it's not the best, but does the job. But yeah, if it does the best job, I know it's not the best, but it does the job, you know? It does the job, does what you need to do. And I need to put
What are you so afraid of? Loving it?
a little thingy
Crust does $12.99 only from Pizza Hut. No one on Pizza Hut.
right across here. Just like that. There. Just like that, boys. Perfect. That's how I do my knob. Basically. That's how. So yeah, Wednesday will be a video outside if it's nice enough. And if it's not snowing. Actually Tuesday, because tomorrow is Monday and I'll be making what is it called? What is it called? Snowing, right? If it's not snowing or if it's or the weather is just perfect, then it will be a hockey video on Tuesday. So yeah, I'll be trying out this new tape jobs when the weather is right. And yeah guys, hopefully the Buccaneers win tonight. And yeah, that's it today's video. See you guys in the next one. And I'll be doing a taping job thing on this stick sometime soon. Don't know when, but sometime soon. So I'll let you guys know. But yeah, how many supposed to hit that button, subscribe to all the good stuff. Hopefully the Bucks win. And anyway, be safe out there. Let me actually put on this hat. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Comment down below. Do all that good stuff. Share all that goodies. So be safe. Do you. Be positive. And live a little. Have an amazing rest of the day. If you guys are wondering, be positive. Live a little. That's from the Mo Strategy, my favorite YouTuber. But anyway guys, have an amazing day. Sorry if the mic sucks a little bit on this camera. I'll be getting a new camera hopefully soon. So yeah. See you guys later. Have an amazing day.